Welcome back, subscribers, and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we're off to Sunbury in Victoria, Australia, and we'll be looking at three specific locations, being the Sunbury Railway Station, the Jacksons Creek Viaduct Bridge and the Rupertswood Viaduct Bridge, which are all in close proximity to each other. First up will be the Jackson Creek Viaduct or Bridge, and a little bit of a history background to it. The rail bridge was constructed by Cornice and Bruce in 1861 on the Melbourne-Bendigo line for the Victorian Railways. It is a three-span wrought iron box girder superstructure supported on tapering basalt piers, supporting a double rail track deck. In 1917, stepped brick intermedial piers were added as additional support to the deck to cater for the increasing weight of the new engines and freight loads. The rail bridge is historically and architecturally significant to the state of Victoria. The bridge is historically significant for its association with the opening of the main trunk lines, Victoria's first railway lines, from 1857 to 1869. These were the formative years of railway development in Victoria. The rail bridge is also architecturally significant as a representative and essentially intact example of a mid-19th century railway bridge. The bridge is a notable element in the landscape and is a particular interest of the wavy pier caps to the tapering basalt piers and for the steep brick intermediary piers. The bridge demonstrates a distinctive method of bridge building and construction. This bridge is listed with the National Trust. The second place we're going to visit is the Rupertswood Viaduct. Now, the railway viaduct bridge beside Rupertswood, Sunbury, was also erected in 1859 on the Melbourne-Sandhurst, now Bendigo railway line for the Victorian Railways. Constructed of 5 arch spans, the bluestone face structure has semicircular arches on piers, and there are transverse abutments to the creek. Features of the design are the prominent imposts and string courses. Rupertswood Viaduct Bridge is a notable element in its surrounding landscape, having an important relationship with the nearby road and river bridges and with Rupertswood. The straight section of track, an important element in Sunbury, emphasises this effect. The transverse abutments are unusual and join as an equally rare bluestone channel. In design terms, the structure is in a classical revival engineering tradition. This bridge is also listed with the National Trust. Here we are at our final destination, the Sunbury Railway Station. The Sunbury Railway Station is about 42 kilometres or 26 miles northwest of the state capital Melbourne in Victoria, Australia, and was opened on the 10th of February 1859 as a terminus, with the railway line not extended further for another 2 years. The 3-track yard dates from that time and was unique in Victoria. There was a large goods shed on its southern side and a large slip on its northern side, as well as a sheep and cattle ramps and yards. There was also housing for railway staff, including 2 houses in Horne Street and the stationmaster's house in Brook Street, which were all demolished in the late 1980s. In late 1993, the station was refurbished with upgrades including an enclosed booking lobby, an air conditioning waiting room, repainted station buildings and landscaping of the garden area around the station. In 2005, as part of the regional fast rail project, the layout of the station was also altered. But I'd like to add, what this place really does need is some sort of mechanical lift, or just a straight out lift for those with a disability. While there, I noticed quite a lot of people in wheelchairs or with walking frames or with some device to help them get up and over from platform 1 to platform 2. Continuing on the 18th of November 2012, the station was added to the Metropolitan network when the line from Water Gardens was electrified. The station was also upgraded as part of those works. Electrification of the line to Sunbury was first proposed in the 1970s, along with a new station along the Sunbury bank north of the Jackson Creek Bridge to serve the Goonawarra housing estate. However, after a drop in population estimates, that idea was abandoned. Today, the station is also serviced by V-Line services to Bendigo and Echuca.
Train now departing. Stand clear, please. Stand clear. The 10, 16, 50 West, covering all stations.
So here we are nearing the end of this video presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, by all means click on that like button or that thumbs up icon, and please consider subscribing. Subscribing doesn't cost you 1 cent, it helps out the channel immensely. But most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.